Il ragazzo ha un libro, la ragazza ha una penna e le città sono bellissime.
Italian nouns, understanding gender and plurals. Welcome to this essential guide to Italian nouns. One of the fundamental aspects of learning Italian is understanding how nouns work, particularly their gender and how they form plurals. Unlike English, Italian nouns have grammatical gender and change their endings in the plural form rather than simply adding an S. This presentation will walk you through everything you need to know to master Italian nouns. The basics of gender in Italian. In Italian, every noun has a gender, either masculine or feminine. This is a grammatical feature that affects articles, adjectives, and other words that relate to the noun. How to recognize gender. Masculine nouns often end in O, like libro or tavolo. Feminine nouns often end in A, like casa or porta. Both masculine and feminine nouns can end in A, like il padre or la madre. Why it matters. Gender determines which articles to use with nouns and how adjectives or other modifiers should be formed. Masculine articles il, lo, and l apostrophe. Il, basic masculine article used with most masculine nouns, like il libro, il tavolo, il cane, il treno. Vo, special cases used with masculine nouns beginning with s plus consonant, like lo studente or lo gnomo. Pen, ps, x, y, and z, like lo psicologo, lo xylofono, lo yogurt, lo zaino. L, apostrophe, before vowels, used with masculine nouns beginning with a vowel, like l'amico, l'ospedale, l'uomo, l'aereo. Feminine articles la and l apostrophe. La is the basic feminine article, like la casa, la pizza, la donna, la scuola. L apostrophe used before vowels, like l'amica, l'università, l'ora, l'Italia. Note, L apostrophe is used for both masculine and feminine nouns that begin with vowels. Rely on other clues, for example, adjective endings, to determine gender in these cases. Recognizing noun gender by ending. 70% of nouns follow patterns, which are predictable by ending. About 30% require memorization because the endings do not clearly indicate gender. Usually masculine, nouns ending in O, like libro or vino, nouns ending in ore, like amore or colore, days, months, and seasons, like lunedì, gennaio, inverno, trees, like mello and pino. Most imported words, like computer, sport, film. Usually feminine, nouns ending in a, like tassa, porta, nouns ending in ione, like stazione, attenzione. Nouns ending in ta, like città, università. Nouns ending in tu, like virtù, gioventù. Fruits like mera and pera. Note there are exceptions, for example, problema ends in a but is masculine. How to form plurals in Italian. Unlike English, Italian changes the final vowel of the noun. Masculine nouns, O goes to I, like il libro, libri, il tavolo, i tavoli, il ragazzo, i ragazzi. Feminine nouns, A goes to E, like la casa, le case, la pizza, le pizze, la ragazza, le ragazze. Both genders, A goes to I, like il padre, i padri, la madre, le madri, il cane, i cani. Note, articles change along with the noun. Slide 9, special spelling changes in plurals. To keep the hard k and g sounds before I, insert each. Words ending in ko or go, like il parco, goes to I parchi. Il lago goes to I larghi. Il fuoco goes to I fuochi. L'albergo goes to I alberghi. Words ending in ka or ga, like la banca, goes to le banche. La targa goes to le targhe. Without the H, pronunciation would shift to a soft sound. For example, parci, like parci. The H preserves the hard sound. Plural articles. Masculine, il goes to I, like il libro, I libri, il pavolo, I pavoli. Lo goes to I, like lo studente, gli studenti, lo zaino, gli zaimi. L, apostrophe, goes to gli, like l'amico, gli amici, l'uomo, gli uomini. Feminine, la goes to le, like la casa, le case, la pizza, le pizze. L apostrophe goes to le, like l'amica, le amiche, l'università, le università. Invariable nouns, or plurals that don't change. Imported words like il bar goes to I bar, il computer goes to I computer, in sport goes to I sport, in film goes to I film. Words ending in accented vowels like la città goes to le città, il caffè goes to I caffè, l'università goes to le università, il papà goes to I papà. Abbreviated words or shortened forms remain unchanged, like la foto goes to le foto, la moto goes to le moto, la radio goes to le radio, l'auto goes to le auto. Note, even if the noun form is invariable, articles and adjectives still agree a number. For example, il grande film goes to I grande film. Putting it all together. Practice makes perfect. Key takeaways: every Italian noun has a gender, masculine or feminine. Articles il, lo, la, and el must match the noun's gender. Plurals are formed by changing the ending, not adding letters. Plural articles I, ye, and le must match the noun's gender and number. Some nouns require spelling changes in the plural. Invariable nouns don't change form in the plural. Next steps. Practice gender and plural forms regularly. Label items around your home with Italian nouns and their correct articles. Read Italian texts and notice how nouns and articles work together. Quote, learning Italian nouns isn't just about memorizing rules, it's about developing an ear and an intuition for the language. With time and practice, the patterns become second nature. Reminder, Italian gender and plural forms follow logical patterns that become intuitive with practice. Mistakes are part of the process. Keep going.